Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up for Venmo. In order to do so, you first have to download and install Venmo mobile application in your device, and then when you tap on it, you are going to see the home page of Venmo that will look something like this. Now over here, as you want to create a new account on Venmo, you will have to click on the option of create account in the bottom. Then it will ask you how will you use Venmo. So here you will be given three options: business, teen and personal. So you will have to select the account that you want to create on Venmo. For this video I have selected personal, and once you have selected the same, you will have to press get started button in the bottom. Then it will show you that you need to enter your phone number. So in this section you will have to provide the phone number that you want to registered on Venmo. Then you need to press send code. After that it will show you that they have sent you a 4-digit code on the number that you have registered previously. So you will have to copy that code and you just have to paste it over here. Once done, you need to click on confirm it button. Then you will be landed on the next page where you need to fill out these details. Now over here you can add any photo of yours if you want to, or you can even skip this step. Next, you need to provide your legal first name, your legal last name, your username. Then you need to provide the email address and create a strong password for your account. After filling these details, you just have to check this box and then you need to press next. After that, it will show you the legal stuff you have been waiting for, user agreement and privacy agreement. So you just have to read the agreement by Venmo carefully, and once done, you will have to press agree button in the bottom. After that, it will show you some of the options which you can skip, and then you will be landed on this add a debit card page. Now over here you need to provide your debit card number, its expiration date, security code and zip code, and then you need to press the add button. After that, it will redirect you on the privacy page where you will be asked whether you want to make your payment settings public, to your friends or private. So you just have to select the option as per your convenience, and then you need to press done in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you will be onboarded on the Venmo application successfully, where you will be shown this type of pop-up which says that Venmo wants to allow you notifications. So you will have to click on the allow notifications tab, and there you go, you have successfully signed up for Venmo. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.